today I show you how you can refill your mechanical pencil easily, and this works on most mechanical pencils. The difference between a regular pencil and a mechanical pencil is that you can adjust the tip of the pencil with the mechanical one. This is a 0.7 millimeter size, and it's pretty much the popular one. There is also 0.5. There is also the 0.5 millimeter size for the pen refills, but this is the one I have, 0.7 millimeters. And this pen is the big reaction 2. 0.7 millimeters it says here, so you would know which refills to buy. These you have to buy them separate, and you have to buy the correct size. So if it says here 0.7, you cannot buy the 0.5 refills because they're too small for the mechanism in the pen. And I bought this for a long time ago, the big reaction 2. I don't know 2 was for, but the rubber here, it starts to disintegrate, it starts to melt, and it has a strange smell. It smells really strange, like, I don't know. It smells like this, like Vaseline from the car that was used a long time, really melted. Yeah, it smells like old Vaseline from the car, so I don't know if this is good to use. So be careful with this brand if you buy the pens. Usually it had a soft rubber here, so I guess this thing got slowly softer and softer, I don't know. Most mechanical pens will have an eraser on the edge here, and this is very convenient to having the eraser is very convenient to be able to erase what you wrote. And also the eraser is removable from here, so you can actually flip it. You can flip this thing. Let's try, let's see. I think you should be able to remove it. Hope I don't break it now. Okay, it's coming out. So if you use it, if it starts to look strange on one side, you can turn it around on the other side. I will keep it the same way. And when you press it, you have to press it so it goes in like that. Okay, so now that I pressed it, you see I have refills, and actually this is how the mechanical pencil works. So to use the mechanical pencil, you press on it like a pen on the edge. I know you probably know this, but maybe someone doesn't know how to use the mechanical pencil. It's important to know that the more you extend this part here, the more fragile it becomes, and there are higher chances to break the tip of the pen. So if you did extend it too far, you press. See here, I press and hold it. So I press and hold it. While I hold it directly, I apply pressure on it and it goes back inside there. And you see the inside there is the actual mechanism. So this is how the mechanical pencil works. When you pull it out, when you press on the pencil, it will push the refill out, and when you put it back, it will release it. So it's like a one-way trip for this pen, but you can always push it back like this. And to refill it, you could have actually multiple refills here in this side. So you can remove this eraser, and the eraser here, it's actually where you could have extra refills. And if you have one tip here that is it's a bit broken and you want to remove it, you can still press on this side, and while pressing there, you can pull it out with your hand just like that. And if there was another one, if there was another refill, you would see it inside now. But now it's empty. And I can show you this part also. I can open it and show you. So that's the place where the tip goes. And there is something that holds this part back there, and when you press it, it opens like that. It's not gonna work if it's not inserted. If the cap is not inserted, it's not gonna work, because I press on this and that doesn't do anything. So I have to put the cap back on, so it gets pressed. Okay, so now that the cap is back on, it works as, now the cap is back on and it works as it's supposed to, but it doesn't have a refill. So to insert the refills, I wouldn't really recommend to have more than 2 or 3 refills. But these, they're very fragile, so be careful with them. This is the mechanical pencil refill, graphite. You can put the old ones back if they are a bit shorter. You see some of them are broken inside there, some are shorter. It's okay to keep them. You can always use them later. So I kept 3 there. You actually don't have to remove them from this, all of them like I did. I just wanted to show you how they look like. So now I have these. They're very difficult to grab. Okay, so I got one on the edge here, another one. They are very fragile. As long as you don't press on them, it's okay. So I'll put one. It goes in. Then I start pressing until you start seeing it coming out. Should keep it upside down a little bit. It didn't catch it, so I'll keep doing it. You have to keep doing it. Okay, now it got it. So now you will see it coming out. Or no. Oh yeah, it's there. So it's coming out. I put it back. And I'll put the other 2 inside there. Close it. And now when this refill is finished, one of the other refills will continue to go inside there. Or if it doesn't go straight directly, you can shake it a little bit. You can hear them shaking. If you don't like this shakiness, you can just put one refill. So let's try it. When you extend the refill, don't extend it too much. I like to keep only 1 click, like this, maybe 2. Keep it two clicks like that. In this way, it will not break so easily. Something like this. Mechanical pencil, it's a really nice tool to make some drawings. And if you, for example, if you change your mind here, there is something you want to remove, you can easily erase it. You can erase it and change it. That's how you use a mechanical pencil. And when you use it long enough, if if you use it for a long time, okay, so you see now it gets worn out a bit, and it has just this tip here a little bit. I can always press one more time, even 2 times, but it's too much, so I'll put it back down and press 2 times, maybe like this. Like this, I could keep it like that. And I can continue writing. That's it. It's very simple, but don't extend the pencil too much, and it's a really nice tool to make some very precise drawing on paper, mostly on paper. Thanks for watching. Don't know why it's so sticky, this thing. Yeah, it smells like Vaseline from the car, the old used lubricant. I don't know why it's like this.